Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Safis Dominika Ramadhani. I'm from Electrical Engineering Class C. My student number is 23, 10, 95, 10, and 15. In this time, we'll read a text about attitude. The longer I live, the more I realize the impact of attitude on life. Attitude to me is more important than facts. It is more important than the past, than education, than money, their circumstances, than failures, than successes, than what other people think or say or do. It is more important than appearances, giftedness, or skill. It will make or break a company, a church, a home. The remarkable thing is we have a choice every day regarding the attitude we will embrace for the day. We cannot change our past, we cannot change the fact that people will act in a certain way. We cannot change the inevitable. The only thing we can do is play on the one string we have, and that is attitude. I'm convinced I'm convinced the life is 10% what happens to me and 90% how I react to it. And so it is with you. We are in charge of our attitudes. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.